Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, we're going to get started on the 24-hour temperature cast. Numbers way up. We'll say it a few times throughout the course of the morning. Normal morning temperatures should be in the upper 50s. We're going to find a bunch this morning in the upper 60s, and I'm expecting highs flirting with or even getting up over 90 today, especially if we get a little bit more sunshine before we cook up hopefully a few showers this afternoon. And I don't see a lot of change in the forecast heading into tomorrow. Updated part of the dense fog advisory now pretty much for all of our first row of Georgia counties and almost all of our Florida counties except for Hamilton, Eccles, and Sewanee counties. And even there, we can absolutely find some thicker fog. So just because you're not in the dense fog advisory doesn't mean you're not going to have any fog. And when we take a look at some of the visibilities, we're going to see numbers are reduced all over the place. So that fog is a thing again this morning. Be careful out there driving. The last several hours, not much cooking satellite radar composite style. It's all happening way over to our west, and it's going to take a couple of days for any of that energy translates east. And how it does, we'll watch, we'll see. It's not going to be anything like the big storms we're going to hear about today across parts of Texas and maybe all the way up into the Midwest. So going to be another real busy weather day for the middle of the country. Not so busy around here. It's 67 degrees in Tallahassee. It's 65 in Valdosta. It's 64 in Thomasville. It's warm. Those dew point numbers, mid 60s and up, tells us the air full of moisture. So it won't take much to shake a few showers from those clouds again this afternoon. This is a very summer feeling and summer looking forecast. I see a 69 in Perry. I see a 59 in Blakely. The only spot that's below 60, and Apalachicola is checking in at 71 this morning. It's not breezy, and that's part of the reason for the fog. I think as long as the breezes stay so light, those areas of fog are going to get a little bit thicker, and we're going to find lots of them all around. So from Mariana, where it's at 1/4 mile, or Quincy to where it's near 0, to Valdosta, where it's just under 2 miles, and Live Oak, where it's at 1 mile. The visibilities are greatly reduced and likely will be at least through 8 o'clock this morning, probably through 9, 9:30, or 10, and that's why the dense fog advisory goes until then. We see some energy out to the west. We'll watch and see how that energy makes progress. Today, any showers that get kicked up, and I think there can be some, especially maybe near the I-75 corridor, not going to have to do with that energy. Going to have to do with a little early season sea breeze, which usually doesn't even get started until later this month, but also a little mixture with that east coast sea breeze. And where those two breezes intersect, that provides that focus for some of those showers and storms, and that's why we shift those shower chances today a little bit more to the east. That's not to say we couldn't find a couple of showers in a few more spots. We can. If that sea breeze starts doing its thing, and it tried yesterday, well, then maybe we do see a couple of more scattered showers in a few more spots, and I think that's going to be the case again tomorrow, and then the case again on Saturday. But by Saturday, now we're talking about maybe a little bit of upper level energy helping to wring some showers out of the clouds too. Not that we're expecting anyone's Saturday plans to get washed away, but I think we've got a better chance for some scattered showers or some thunderstorms even on Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. And of course, we got plenty of time to fine tune that. It's still just Thursday. On the Gulf today, winds out of the east and southeast 5 to 12, seas 2 feet or less, and we'll go with mostly smooth conditions in the bays. It's mostly 60s this morning, and there's plenty of fog out there. Sun will be up at 6:53. We'll shoot for 90, a couple degrees either side. The showers are going to try again. I'll put the rain chances at 30% today. I still don't expect everybody to get wet, and even those of us that do, we're not talking big time rain, but the chance is there, and I think the chance is a little higher to the east. More mid-60s, more partly cloudy, and more muggy overnight. Similar setup for tomorrow. We'll up those rain chances of smidge for Saturday, and that should mean we can lower the daytime highs at least for a little while.